Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel Commerce Coaching Classes. Today we solve some numerical questions of basic fundamental of partnership. We already discussed in my last two videos how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So question related to profit and loss appropriation account. Question number 12 from DK Goel book. ABC having capital of rupees 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 80,000 respectively on 1st April 2015. Current account balance for rupees for A 20,000, B 10,000 and C 5,000 debit balance. According to partnership deed, partners entitled to IOC 10% per annum. B being the working partner was also entitled to a salary of rupees 6,000 per quarter. The profit were divided as follow. The first rupees 60,000 in proportion to their capital. It means first 60,000 profit distributed in their capital ratio, that is 2 lakh, 2 lakh and 80,000, that is 5:2. Next 1 lakh in the ratio 4:3:1 and remaining profit to be shared equally. The firm made a profit of rupees 2,80,000 for the year ending 31st March 2016. Before charging any of the above item, prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Now we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, particulars, amount. When we start P&L appropriation account, firstly we show profit for the year. Profit for the year given, that is the rupees 2,80,000. Show in the credit side by profit 2,80,000. Okay. In debit side, firm total expenses shown, like interest on capital given by the firm, salary, commission, bonus given by the firm, transferred to reserve. Okay, these four items shown in the debit side. And in credit come, that is interest on drawing, withdrawn by the partners. So firm receive interest on drawing, that is the income of firm. In this question, two items given, that is the IOC, interest on capital, and salary. Okay, first of all we show two interest on capital, A, B and C. Interest on capital always given on the opening capital, fixed capital. Okay, that is the 2 lakh, 2,80,000, 10% interest, 10% per annum. First 2 lakh into 10%, that is the 20,000. 2 lakh into 10%, again 20,000 for B and 8,000 for C. Total interest paid by the firm, that is the 48,000. Okay. Second, salary given to B. So B is salary. B gets 6,000 per quarter. In a year, 4 quarters, 3 months, 4 quarter. It means 6,000 multiplied by 4, that is the 24,000. Okay. Now remaining profit to profit transfer to current account of partners. Why current account? Because in this question two balance given, one is capital balance and second is current account balance given. It means company adopt fixed capital method. In fixed capital method, two account prepare, partners capital and partners current account. When firm adopt fixed capital method, it means profit, interest on capital, salary all transfer to the current account. Okay, so distributable profit 2,80,000 minus 48 minus 24, it means 72,000. 280 minus 72, meaning distributable profit, that is 2,08,000 distributed among partners A, B and C. For first 60,000 distributed in their capital ratio that is 5:5:2. First 60,000 distributed in the ratio 5:5:2. It means 60,000 multiplied by 5 by 12. So 25,000 for A, 25,000 for B, and 10,000 for C. Plus. So we distribute 60,000 in the ratio of capital. Second, next rupees 1 lakh in the ratio 4:3:1. It means 1 lakh multiply by 4 by 8. It means 1/2. So A get 50,000 and B get 1 lakh into 3 by 8. That is the 37,500 and remaining 12,500. Plus third C, remaining profit to be shared equally. It means we distribute 60,000 and 1 lakh. Remaining profit, that is the 48,000. 48,000 distributed equally 16,000 and 16,000. So that is the distribution of profit like that, A, B, C. Now total profit, A get total profit 25, 50, 75, 16, 91,000. B get 25 and 16, 41, 48, 78,500, and C get 10,000, 22,500 and 38,500. That is the total distribution of profit, 2,80,000. That's it. So that is the 12 number question, distributed like that, IOC, salary, and how we distribute profit among partners. Okay, now next question. Yes, next question in new edition, question number 20, and in last year edition, question number 19. P and Q partners है 60:40. On 1st April 2014 their capital were rupees P 5 lakh and Q 3 lakh. During the year ending 31st March 2015 they earned profit of rupees 7,60,000. It means profit given in this question 7,60,000. The term of partnerships are IOC at the rate of 8% per annum. It means partners get 8% per annum interest on capital. Second, P will get commission at the rate of 3% on turnover. Turnover given in this question, that is rupees 20 lakh. So it means 20 lakh into 3%, P will get a commission. Third, Q will get a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. Q will get commission of 5% on profits after deduction of interest on capital, salary and commission, including his own commission. Okay. P is entitled to a rent of rupees 20,000 per month for the use of his premises by the firm. In my last video, I already told you that 4 items related to charge against profit. 2 terms in this condition, charge against profit and appropriation against profit. When in this question, charge against profit given, first of all we prepare P&L account, not P&L appropriation account. First of all we will prepare profit and loss account. Charge against profit items, that is the rent. In this question rent is given because P is premises used by the firm and firm paid 20,000 per month to P. That is the charge against profit. Manager commission is also charge against profit. Interest on loan is also charge against profit. So these 3 items, not 4, these 3 items, that is the charge against profit. If in the question these 3 items given, so firstly we prepare profit and loss account. After all, we transfer profit to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, partners drawing for the year were rupees 40,000 and 30,000. turnover for the year was 220 lakh. Okay, prepare profit and loss appropriation account and capital account. In this question there is no current balance given, and nor specifically given that the partner adopt fixed capital or fluctuate capital. So in this situation company used fluctuating capital method and only prepared partners capital account, not partners current account. Okay, so let's we start. First of all, P&L account, because in this question rent is given and rent is the charge against profit. So firstly we shown by profit. In this question profit given 7,60,000. 7,60,000. Rent, that is given P is entitled to a rent of rupees 20,000. So 20,000 multiply by 12, 2,40,000. Remaining profit, net profit, we can say that net profit 760 minus 240, that is the 5,20,000 transferred to P&L appropriation account. Okay, that's it. Only one item shown in the P&L account. Now we prepare profit and loss appropriation account. So profit transfer in the credit side by net profit 5,20,000. Okay, now first IOC at the rate of 8% per annum to IOC, two partner P and Q. P is capital, that is 5 lakh, and Q capital 3 lakh. 5 lakh and 3 lakh. 5 lakh multiply by 8%, it means P get 40,000 and Q get 3 lakh into 8%, 24,000. That is total 64,000. Okay, next to P will get commission 3% on turnover. So P is commission. Turnover given at 20 lakh. Multiply by 3%. It means 60,000. Next, Q will get a salary of rupees 5,000 per month. To Q's salary, that is 5,000 per month. 5,000 multiply by 12, it means 60,000. Okay. Fourth, Q will get a commission of 5% on profit after deduction of interest, salary and commission, including his own commission. It means when we find out the Q commission, we multiply by the 5 upon 105, rate over rate plus 100. Okay, because including word is given or after word is given, it means rate over 100 plus rate. Okay, so firstly profit at 520 after deducting interest 64, P's commission 60 and Q salary 60. Then we find out to Q's commission on remaining profit 520 minus 64 minus 60 minus 60, it means 120, 184. 520 minus 1,84,000, it means 634. sorry 3. Remaining profit, that is 3,36,000 multiply by 5 over 100 plus rate 5 over 105. Okay, it means 1 by 21 से इसको अपने डिवाइड कर लेंगे 26 16,000 it means Q get 16,000 commission also. Okay, fifth point already shown in the P&L account, and last, partners drawing are the given, but drawing given, interest on drawing not given. It means if interest on drawing given, then we show in the credit side, but in this question only drawing given, interest on drawing rate not given. So let's we find out the distributable profit. To profit transferred to capital account. In last question current account balance given, then we transfer to the current account, but in this question company adopt fluctuating capital method. Now we transfer profit into the capital account. Okay, remaining profit. Now we find out total distributable profit, that is 3,36,000 minus 16,000 Q's commission, 3,20,000. So total profit, distributable profit, that is 3,20,000 distributed among P and Q in the ratio of 60:40. Short करेंगे तो 3:2. Distributed in the ratio of 3:2, 3 by 5, 5 6 ja 30, 5 4 ja 20, 3 4 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 192, 1,92,000 and 1,28,000. Okay, that is the profit and loss. Appropriation account complete. Now we prepare partners capital account of both partners in single account, that is two partner P and Q, P Q P Q. Okay, so in partner capital account, first of all balance shown in the credit side by balance BD. Okay, by balance BD. In this question balance given, that is 5 lakh and 3 lakh. So 5 lakh and 3 lakh. Now in P&L appropriation account, all debit side item transferred into the credit side of partners capital account. Okay, all debit side items transferred into the credit side of partner capital account. Okay, got it? So first IOC, okay, that is 40,000 for P, 24 for Q. Commission, P commission 60,000 and Q commission 16,000. Next Q salary, that is 60,000. Note for P 60,000. Okay, so IOC transferred, P's commission transfer, salary transfer, commission transfer. Now profit by profit, that is 1,92,000 and 1,28,000. Okay, in debit side, to drawing, to interest on drawing, or to loss. in this question profit given, so there is no loss, and also in this question there is no interest on drawing rate given, so also we don't show the interest on drawing, but we show the drawing given, that is the 40,000 and 30,000. So to drawing 40,000 and 30,000. Okay, now we calculate to balance CD. To balance CD, balance find out करेंगे. 5 lakh 540, 6 lakh 792, 7,92,000. For Q 3 lakh 324, 340, 4 lakh 528, 5,28,000. Now 792 minus 40,000, it means 752, 7,52,000, and 528 minus 30, 498, 498. So total 792 and 528. That's it. That's your question number 20.